All right, today we're going to be making these worm fishing lures. So let's get to it. So I grabbed some of these hooks from the dollar store. I used a thin piece of wire and just wrapped it around the hook to make a worm shape. And took some string and started wrapping multiple layers around the wire. And to make the belly, I just wrapped the string multiple times around one area. I then took a bit of super glue and just glued down the edges. And here is the base of my worm. Now I just started mixing paints together until I got the color that I wanted. And after adding all the lowlights and highlights, here was my worm. Now I wanted it to be strong, so to give it a clear coat, I used this 5-minute epoxy glue. I coated the whole thing in a pretty decent layer. Now you have to move quick with this and constantly move it so it doesn't puddle in one area. And here it was when it was all finished with the epoxy. I was pretty impressed with it, and because of that, I did make another one. Whether or not they are going to catch some fish, stay tuned, we'll see. 'Tis the season for fishing, so there will be more lures to be made, which my husband is happy about. Please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell to get notified for my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching!